Good evening, tutor and partner. For this activity, I choose the article Improving Speaking Ability Through Storytelling Technique by Using Picture Series. This research was conducted to solve the student problem in speaking. It is to improve the student ability in speaking through storytelling technique by using picture series in terms of content and delivery of the story. And the instrument to collect the data were observation, checklists, file note, speaking tests, measure using scoring rubrics and questionnaire. Mm, the implementation of the technique was successful to improving the student speaking abilities since the criteria of success were achieved implementing the storytelling technique using picture series in teaching speaking encompass several procedures. And for apply this technique is necessary uh, a step. The first step is understanding the narrative text careful, and the second is understanding grammar and difficult words. Number three is employing diction um, based on its context. And number four is discussing the text in group. Number five is using our sentence to deliver a story. Number six is avoiding mistake by having picture series. Number seven is understanding the message of social value of the text. And number eight, and finally, is giving reward to enhance motivation. It's important mention this article is right in Indonesia, and the English is taught as a compulsory subject for senior high school in Indonesia. That is the instruction should be um, focused on the teaching of the four language skill. The objective in speaking skill is not easy and simple, either for the teacher or for the student. For this reason, the English teacher should create a classroom environment where the students have real life communication and authentic activities and meaningful tasks that promote the use of oral language. The teacher shared the literature with their students using a story retelling technique, and students tell stories too. This technique is very important for the foment for the motivated to ability in the student, the speaking ability. And finally, the finding of this study has proven that a story retelling technique can improve the student speaking ability. It can be seen the improvement of a student score. Thank you.